In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations on Squarespace. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started with enabling donation features on your Squarespace website, a valuable tool for nonprofits, charities, or any individual or organization looking to accept financial support directly through their platform. Let's jump in and explore these steps together. First, we'll start by navigating to your Squarespace website editor. Accessing your editor is the gateway to making any changes on your site, including adding donation capabilities. So go ahead and open your website editor so we can begin configuring your donation block. Once you're in the editor, the next action you need to take is to add a new block. Adding a block is essential because it allows us to introduce a donation option onto your web page. To do this, simply find and click on the Add Block button. This action opens a variety of options for blocks, but our focus will be on selecting the donation-specific feature. In the menu that appears after clicking Add Block, locate and select Donation. This is a dedicated block intended for authorizing and managing incoming donations. Including this block on your page sets up a simpler route for your supporters to contribute funds, ensuring that the process feels straightforward and trustworthy from a donor's perspective. With the donation block added, it's time to make some edits. Look for the Edit button and click it. Editing the donation block allows you to tailor its appearance and details to better align with your mission or brand. Whether it's adjusting text, refining your call to action, or configuring the donation amounts, this customization is how you make your donation appeal feel authentic and inviting. Before we proceed further, it's important to note an essential requirement. In order to access and use the donation feature, you must be subscribed to Squarespace's business plan. This plan includes the necessary e-commerce capabilities to accept donations. So if you're not on this plan yet, take a moment to click on Upgrade and choose the business plan. This upgrade is a key step because it enables the financial transaction capabilities required for processing donations. Next, click on Design. This step involves personalizing the visual aspects of the donation block, making sure it integrates smoothly with your site's overall look and feel. Effective design can enhance visitor engagement and potentially increase the likelihood of donations. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your adjustments and your donation block is ready, be sure to save your changes. Click on Save to ensure all your hard work is finalized and visible on your live site. Taking this action guarantees that your users will be able to contribute supportively whenever they visit your web page. And there you have it. You've now learned how to accept donations on Squarespace, effortlessly integrating support for your cause into your website. With these steps, you can turn visitors into supporters, helping to finance your mission and further your goals. Thank you for joining us, and make sure to check back here for more informative tutorials.